All right, guys, it is unboxing time. Let's do this carefully. Good.
There you go. Got the zipper. Use the zipper.
Oh man, I always forget it has a zipper.
Here, just.
There you go, Chris. Thank you. All right, part 2 unboxing. 2021 CB1000R Black Edition. Let's take a closer look. Look at these rims. Super nice. Michelin tires, 17-inch rims. These are 190. Super nice. The bike came in perfect condition. Look at how nice this is. In the photographs that I saw online, I thought this was hard, but it's actually a seat. So you do have seating for 2 people. You have your passenger footrests. You have here your rear brake, your foot peg, CB engraved there. Beautiful detail. Just look at those tires again. I got the guys coming right now with the forklift. A lot of nice stuff to peel off. The engine, its keys, very similar to a CBR key, the previous year keys. The heads up. Well, I'm gonna start it in the next video. Stay tuned for a part 3. But thank you for watching, guys. Vamos a ponerla justo en el centro. All right, guys, stay tuned. Part 3 coming up is the assembly and starting the bike up. Nice. All right, I hope you guys like these videos. I'm gonna have more of them coming. Stay tuned. All right, guys, again, this is Ed from JM Honda of Miami. If you have any questions, let me know. Shoot me an email, give me a call here at JM Honda Miami. Thanks, guys.